Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to print shipping labels on your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace.com website right here if you've not already. And after opening up the Squarespace website, you'll be greeted by the main page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So log into your account for which you have your websites, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where we can find our website. So here is our website. There we have our orders at, and we want to print the shipping labels from this website. So I'm going to click on the website option right here. That's going to open it up in this main page where you can find all the sections I can access, such as the pages, styles, and so on. And now let's go and see how we print any shipping labels for our orders. Basically, guys, we can find our orders right here at the left side screen under products and services. By clicking products and services, you can find the orders section. So you want to click on orders. As you can see here, you can find your orders, and if you want to view completed transactions for products and services, you can find that at finance and orders, but you can find your orders here as well if you've not completed them. Basically guys, if you have your orders right here and they're pending or you have completed them and so on, there is going to appear a button right here at the bottom that says print shipping labels. Currently I have no orders, so I do not see that button right here, but if you have your orders, click around a bit until you get the button. You will be able to find the button that says print shipping labels on this page, and this is going to enable you to do exactly that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.